Hello guys, just making a video just to show you some basic Arma 3 mission building techniques. I'm actually going to show you scripts as well. I'm using a fancy new recording technique this time as well, so please bear with me if I stumble around a bit. Just still trying to find my way around this software. So let's begin, shall we? First thing I want you to do is download the template mission below this video. It'll be very useful because it just gets us all on the same page with the mods, with all the same scripts, and I can easily show you how to use each of them. So when you've downloaded the template, you have to go into your downloads and just copy the folder into the Arma 3 alpha other profiles, into your profile name and into the missions folder. So here you should have a template stratus like so, and if you enter the template stratus you should see these scripts. So we've got the revive script, we've got the alternative gear script, and we've got the view distance script, and the taskmaster script. Finally we've got the vehicle respawn script. All these are pretty much essential to a successful mission, and I'm going to quickly show you how to use these scripts. So now you've copied this folder into your missions folder, you can go into your editor and load up this mission. When you've loaded up the mission, it's called template, click OK. You should see this, just a blank template. So we're going to begin by placing down a playable character. Actually, we're going to start by changing your view to traditional. Keeps us extremely in sync with each other. So when you've done that, just place down a playable character, and we're going to add an empty car. We're going to place down a quad bike, and in the init field, initialization field, we're going to go back into the template stratus folder and double click on the vehicle.sqf. Inside here we'll see a number of commands, and we're going to take this long one here. Press Ctrl C, go back into the game, and Ctrl V in the init field. So here we have this, referring to this car. Will respawn in 15 seconds after it's blown up. I want to make that to 5 seconds, or if it's been left alone for 10 seconds I want to disable this, so I'm going to put 0, and it has 5 lives. I want it to have infinite lives, so 0. Click OK, and we've created our first respawning car. Simple. Now we're going to place down our virtual Ammobox script, basically an Ammobox to you and me. So objects, cargo. We're not using an actual Ammobox because this script actually is virtual, so we don't want the Ammobox to be accessible as well as a virtual Ammobox, so we're going to use a cargo box. And in the init, I'm just going to get my code which I found earlier. So in the init of this cargo, we're going to paste this code. This code is under the video, by the way. So now it's added an action to access the virtual Ammobox. Click OK. So we've got our respawning cars and we've got our ammo boxes. Now we need a respawn point, our base. So we're going to press F6 to select markers and double click and just name this respawn rest. Click OK. So when we die we'll respawn here. Now we're going to test all the scripts, but before we do that we're going to save, and then we're going to load the template again just to make sure all the scripts are running. Click preview, and let's have a go at these scripts. Virtual Ammobox. Yeah, that's working. nice and smoothly. Let's test the vehicle respawn. Go throw a few grenades at it. And just finish it off with a few gunshots. Boom, baby. And that should respawn in 5 seconds, thanks to the vehicle respawn script we've added. There it goes, and very good as new. And a nice little feature, press M. In the tasks you should see 2 tasks. Obviously we haven't added any tasks on the actual map yet, but we've set the tasks in the init. So if we go back into our mission folder in the init.sqf, we can see these tasks. So get to the petrol station, and we've got the description there. So in the next video I'm going to go more into depth in the tasks and the task triggers, and give you some useful task conditions. For example, how to finish a task when you get into a vehicle, or how to finish a task when you've killed a certain amount of people. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.